Hello.
Hello.
That's great. Welcome to Speaking Test. I'm teacher Lizzy. What's your name?
I'm Mina.
That's great, Mina. How old are you?
I'm 6.
Where are you from, Mina?
I'm from Vietnam.
Are you ready, Mina?
Yes.
That's great. We will talk about things in the bathroom. Mina, what's this?
This toilet paper.
This is a toilet paper. That's great. What's this?
This is a comb.
Good. What's this?
This is a shower.
Well then, what's this?
This is a sink.
Good job. What's this?
This is a shower.
Good job. What's this?
This is a toothpaste.
Good job. What's this?
This is a toothbrush.
Good job. What's this?
This is a chop.
Well then, now we move on to the sounds. What sound letter does it? Good. What sound does it make? What sound does it make?
E.
What sound does it make? What sound does it make? Good job. What sound does it make? Great. What sound does it make?
The.
Good. You are the best. Now we're going to read. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Good job. Now let's read.
Dad.
Good job.
Kit.
Excellent.
Mess.
You are the best.
Neck.
Great.
Miss.
Good.
Map.
Well then.
Mat.
Good.
Dam.
Bravo.
Desk.
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 Well then.
Hat.
Good.
Head.
Good job.
Saddle.
Good.
Sick.
Good job.
Key.
Well then.
Hat.
Car.
Cap.
Great job.
Set.
Marvelous.
Pen.
Good.
Ten.
Great.
Sack.
Wow.
Pack.
Good job.
Neck.
Good job. Can you give me a high five? Good. We come to the end of our speaking test. Goodbye, Mina.
Goodbye.